Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing this case for Samsung Buds 3 Pro headphones. This is a silicone case. It says on it waterproof. I don't remember the brand name. It was from Amazon. If I remember correctly, it was maybe $16. Not really sure. But what is unique about this, it's one piece. So the top kind of folds on top of the case there of the headphones, and that's how it works. So let's see. I got the blue one, even though the box is showing black picture on it. I got the blue. Oh, where's the box? So this is how it is packaged. Side of it, there is where is this supposed to go? It goes on your watch band, but this seems like it's for Apple Watch. This thing here for Apple Watch. Okay, well, I'm not going to be using this. We are mainly concerned with this. So there is the carabiner. It's connected here. Alright, so it has a cover here for the charging port, which is cool. So this is supposed to be waterproof. As I said, what is unique about this, it's one piece. So to put this inside, you're supposed to flip this outward like this. Once it is flipped outward, you can put this case in, or earbuds in. I guess you have to push it a little bit harder. Yeah, so it is in the proper spot. Now you see that light is right in the circle. So this is how it looks like. This is not closing while the case is inside. There you go, it's closed now. Alright, so before we do anything, let's test it with wireless charging, because last time I did these videos I forgot to do the wireless charging test. Here is the Samsung wireless charger trio. I feel like it is thin enough. It should do wireless charging, but I don't see any indication of it charging. Okay, well, it's not charging, so I would say it's not wireless charging capable. But this is how it looks like. I think the unique design of it will be 100% sure it's not gonna lose the top or anything. So just kind of hang it like this, and whenever you want to use your earbuds, you're supposed to remove this to the outward. It's a little bit tricky. And then you use it. Once you finish, you close it, you put this top back on, and it's like that. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. I just wanted to do a quick one here for this case and show you how it looks like. It looks unique, you know, very unique. So this is maybe very useful when hiking or traveling. You can connect this to your backpack, knowing it's not gonna lose a part of it because it's all one piece. So that's pretty good. I like that. All right, thank you so much again for watching this video with me. I do appreciate you spending the time here. If you have questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And if you found it to be useful, please let us know and subscribe to the channel for more videos like it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.